Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Welcome to the last week of 2019, and the middle of the week is the first week of 2020. So I thought that the phrase of the week for this week could be ngā mihi o te tauhou, and that means Happy New Year. Greetings of the New Year. Greetings of the New Year, Happy New Year. So this is pronounced ngā mihi, and that means greetings, or te tau, like the beginning of taupo, hou. So as you can see, tau and hou don't rhyme, but they're very close, because this is au and this is ou. Ngā mihi o te tau hou. And that means Happy New Year. So hopefully that's a phrase you'll be able to use this week, and all the best for 2020. Ka kite.